Hi friends, how are you all doing? Welcome back to the kitchen experience with PRG. Today I want to be showing you how I make my local rice. I mean my village rice. You can see the ingredients that I'll be using is what you are just saying. I have already boiled rice, not parboiled, boiled rice. You can as well use parboiled rice, but today I'm using boiled rice. Then I have a catfish. My friend actually grilled this fish here and gave me some. I have crayfish, and this is the chicken stock I'll be using, jumbo. I have the already bleached oil that I'm going to use, red oil, bleached. I have 2 cubes of Maggi, and I have salt. In this bowl I have pepper. They are just the major things that I'll be blending. I have pepper. I have this is Scotch bonnet pepper, and this one is just another species of these long ones. Then I have 2 red bell, and I have 4 onions, and I'll be slicing one of the onions for the oil. This is the meat already boiling. You know, just few pieces of beef, and I have pomo as well. So I'll be, dicing these ones, and I will let you see when I'm done with it. Next thing I need to do now is to take the pepper to the processor, because I'm not going to be blending it smoothly. It's going to be kind of coarse blending. Yes, guys, I'm done blending. I'm done dicing the beef, and this is the beef. I'm also done dicing the onions. And here's the blend. You can see it's not smooth at all. Okay, now the pot is on fire, already heated. I am adding the oil that I bleached. If you want to fully bleach, fine. If you don't want to fully bleach the oil, it's still very good. This one is not really that bleached. Here is the cow skin. Mombo. I'll be air frying the beef. The oil is hot. I'm going to be adding my onions. So I'll allow it to saute for just 2 minutes. It's on a medium heat. I'm adding the fish. Cow skin. Just for 3 minutes, and I'll remove them. So I'm going to be adding the blend straight up. This is it. So I'm going to cover it up, allow it to boil up, dry up. When the oil is up the stew, then we will come and add the things we need to add. But meanwhile, I'm going to be adding the salt. This is just a teaspoon of salt. I'm adding just a cube. The beef is dried up. You can see. Basically, it's as good as fried. Okay, guys, you can see the stew is dried up. So we'll be adding every other thing that we need to add. Here's the fish and the pomo. And here's the beef. The stock that is remaining, so I'm going to be adding it to it. The stew is very yummy. You can actually use this stew now to eat rice, yam, anything you desire to eat with it. So I'm going to be adding the rice at this time. I've not added the chicken stock. Just want to see, because I added the stock. So I want to see if the stock is okay for the rice in terms of seasoning, so I won't bother. Yummy is the word. I don't have to put chicken stock anymore. So it's just to, you know, kind of hot up, and our native rice is ready. Here we are. Our rice is dried up. I'm going to be adding spring onions just for garnishing, and we'll be done. Thanks for watching. If you have watched up to this time, God bless you for checking on my channel. Please, if you have not subscribed, why don't do so and help this channel grow? Please subscribe, turn on your notification bell, and do share to friends as well. We've come to the end of this video. Until I see you in another video, keep basking in the joy of the Lord.